on the delivery trail, and we're with Miss Erin. She's shy. You have to understand, she don't want to be on the camera. So she's hiding in the flowers, as pretty as they are. We're sure she's prettier than the flowers, right? Just, you're welcome. Anything you want to say about the service, even though you don't want to be on the camera?
You know, well, service is quick, yeah.
Okay, you like quick service? Dinner ready yet? Because I'm not lunch today, no. You're not cooking today?
No,
Oh, today Thursday, stew peas day.
No, my daughter done and work.
No.
Normally, we all cook in the house.
You all the cooking house? Even on good stew peas day?
Mostly on Sundays only.
Sunday? Alright. I live close by so I can come Sunday. She said yes. So, this is how we do it on the delivery trail. We're off again. Have a good one. And thanks for being our customer, alright? Alright, bye bye. On the delivery trail. That is how we do it.